Hi friends, welcome to our channel Steps for Success video number 3. In this question also making continuously cash flow statement of management accounting. In this video we have discussed about in this type of question how to make solution. So this is the different types of question because the additional information given also and the main information also given. In this situation how can make the solution. So this is also 15 marks question and 5 marks question, right? So let's start the question. What are the given data? Amareshwar Company Limited earn a profit directly given in the profit. There is no given any profit and loss account and trading account directly given in the profit. After allowing for the following data. Relieving the expenses written off, loss on sale of furniture, depreciation on fixed asset, provision for taxation, transfer of general reserve, profit on sale of machinery. So additional information also supplied. Data given there are 2 years data 2007 and 2006. We can make difference between the 2 years and make solution for this question. Debtors, bills receivable, repaid expenses, there are current assets, and creditors, outstanding expenses, bills payable, these are current liabilities. So this is the question for your answer. Compute the amount of cash from business operation. So this is question. So let's start the answer solution. So this is our format. I can already prepared computation of cash from operation. So net profit for the year already question in the given. How much? 50,000. 50,000. Right. Add non-cash and non-operating expenses and losses. In the question, non-operating expenses what are? Preliminary expenses written off. Preliminary expenses written off how much? 5,000. Depreciation on fixed asset how much? 10,000. Provision for taxation how much? 80,000. And next, transfer of general reserve 7,000. Next, loss on sale of furniture 500. So we can add this all non operating expenses. 5,000 plus 10,000 plus 80,000 plus 7,000 plus 500. 10,000. 1,02,500. 1,02,500. So we can add this amount in the 50,000. 1,52,500. 1,52,500. So we can directly less the non-operating income. Profit on sale of machinery in the question given 3,000. So 1,52,500 minus 3,000. 1,49,500. We can consider we are called operating cash profit. This is 1,49,500. The additional information in the given. So we can add and less. There are two types. First, I can completely say in suppose in case in the question when the current asset increase, that amount will be less. In case current asset decrease, that amount will be add. In case current liability when increase, that amount will be add. Suppose current liabilities decrease, that amount will be less, the opposite direction. So in the question given, so 2000 in the 2006 debtors 12,000. And so first we can make bills receivable. So bills receivable how much? In 2007 8,500, in 2006 10,000. So it is decrease in bills receivable. How much? Decrease in bills receivable how much? 1,500. So increase in creditors in the 2006 how much? 10,000, and 2007 15,000. So 5,000. So 5,000 1,000 6,500. 6,500. So 1,49,500 plus 6,500, 1,56,000. 1,56,000. We can less this all amount. Increase in debtors in the 2006 12,000, in 2007 15,000, so 3,000 increase 3,000. So increase in repaid expenses in 2006 200, in 2007 300, so 100 increase, right? And decrease in bills payable in the year 2006 8,000, in the year 2000 6,000, so 2,000 decrease in outstanding expenses in the year 2006 5,000, in the year 2007 4,000, so 1,000, so 3,000 2,000 5,000 6,000 6,100, so 1,56,000 minus 6,100 minus 6 1,56,000 minus 6,100, 1,49,900. So this is our cash from operation. This is our answer for this simple question. So this is very important for your question. In the confusion sector is this: add and less, assets and liabilities. I hope understand the question solution this type of, and support our channel, and make sure share to our videos of your friends, and subscribe to our channel and support our channel. Thank you friends.